To install the board package for the MSP432, we're going to go to Tools. And from Tools, we're going to go to Board. From Board, we're going to go to Boards Manager. Here, we'll type in MSP432. And we want this one. We want to do the bottom one, the EMT red boards. You can see it says MSP EXP432 P401R. This one right here. And we're going to click Install. This is very important. Do not touch anything on your computer. Do not surf the web. Do not try to do anything else while this is installing on your computer. For some people, this could take 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Some people, it might take 30 to 40 minutes. It's always different. The most important thing is to make sure it gets installed. Sometimes it seems like it's hung up and it's taking a long time. That's okay. Just leave it. Don't touch anything on your computer. If you interrupt this process or disturb the process while it's installing this board, it will fail, and when you try to upload a sketch or a program or code to your RSLK or your MSP432, it'll give you an error in which you will need to remove the library and try to reinstall it.